No, because they go the wrong way.
Look on the floor. Look on the.
Okay, right here.
Look on here.
Okay.
You want to do one of these?
Okay, put it in there.
Sure.
Oh, we have another one though?
Yeah.
How many do we have?
Where's the trash?
Jack loves when he does
Oh,
this.
yeah. I know, I can tell.
And Jack likes the spot over there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
If you
Does
take it
that
out
thing
of
go
the
off
store.
during the night too?
It went off last night. Me and Dave supposed to go.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, you know what? Sometimes I walk out there and it doesn't just come out.
Here's the thing like kind of.
Oh my
Mom,
God,
put the camera
my
over here,
house.
Dylan. Put the camera over there.
This is a more fun.